Hello everyone, my name is Anangsha Lamyan and welcome back to my channel where we talk about how you can write and design the life of your dreams just by writing about exactly what you want. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 platforms that helped me improve my freelance writing income in 2021 and how you can also apply the same and you don't have to work extra hard or for extra long hours. You can do exactly what you're doing currently, but you're going to improve your income by at least 3 times. 2021 has been an amazing year for me. I quit my job and now I'm a full-time writer, and every month I have a goal that I have to reach a particular income level to fulfill that goal. And every month some income streams come up, some income streams dry out, but my goal is to always discover new income streams, and whenever I find something that's very interesting, I always share it with you people, so anyone who's starting out as a freelance writer, they can also apply the same to their own field. The first income stream I'm going to talk about is by selling ad space on my newsletter. If you have a newsletter, you must already know how hard it is to ask for a subscription fee from your readers. I mean, these people gave you their email addresses. They took out time from their lives to type out their email addresses and join your email list. And they spend time every week reading your emails. How can you charge them money for this? I have a very engaged community of writers and readers on my email list, which you can find the link in the description. And I knew that I loved my community a lot, and they were also a very highly specific, highly targeted community of writers and freelancers who want to design the life of their dreams. But I couldn't ask them money, and I didn't know how to charge, and I didn't know how to make this newsletter into a steady stream of income. And that's when I discovered Swapstack. Swapstack is the premier newsletter advertising marketplace that connects writers with brands. Within a few days of joining, I found some amazing sponsorships which has led me to earn more than $1,000 just by selling ad space on my newsletter. And I've already made a detailed video on how you can get started on Swapstack. You can find the link right here. Now, if you're a writer, you might be a little skeptical about giving ads on your newsletter. In the beginning, even I felt the same. But then I discovered that my audience, they love the brands that I send them recommendations for, because these are brands that I would have used myself anyway. And anything that I use myself, I'm pretty sure my audience will also love it too. And that's what has made this collaborations on Swapstack so successful for me, for my readers, and for the brands as well. Aside from being an amazing income stream, Swapstack has also given me a chance to have a direct one-on-one conversation with CEOs of companies, which is always such an inspiring experience and always leaves me feeling an adrenaline rush. If you are a writer looking to work on sponsored collaborations with brands, or if you are a brand looking for a highly targeted audience where you can market your product, you can join Swapstack today. The link to join is in the description of this video. The second way I added an additional income stream was by writing US based articles. Now, most of you who follow my channel might know about Newsbreak. I have already made a video about Newsbreak where I tell you how I make at least $1,500 a month just by writing 4 or 5 300-word US based articles every week. Newsbreak, if you don't know, is an AI based news aggregator that collects news from different sources and they serve it to their audience, which is mostly based in the US. And recently, like in 2020, they launched their creator program where people, individual creators like you and me, we can also join their platform and write articles for money. The only caveat here is that you need to remember that all these articles have to be based in the US. But if you do proper research and if you do some interviews with people living there, you can definitely write these articles. For me, it takes about 10 minutes to write one article of 300 words, and I can easily get $60 for one article, which is an amazing income stream. And if you want to join Newsbreak today, currently it's only open for writers who live in the US. The link to join Newsbreak as a creator is in the description of this video. The third and the most interesting income stream that I have added is by writing about exactly what I want on LinkedIn. You might be confused because most of you know LinkedIn as the obscure platform where somebody you barely remember endorses you for Microsoft Word for time to time, right? Well, LinkedIn is so much more than that. It is the world's fastest growing social media site. It has about 740 million active users, and there are more than 3 million posts shared every week. If you showcase your skills the right way on LinkedIn, you can have valuable connections and leads that can give you writing gigs and long term writing assignments as well. I started being active on LinkedIn in January 2021, but since then I've had some really great connections. I've got some amazing opportunities, and I've made more than $2,000 from assignments that I got through LinkedIn. I have already made a detailed video on the 5 things that are common in the most successful LinkedIn posts that I have written, and you can find that video right here. So if you plan to start a career as a writer, LinkedIn is the one platform you should definitely not miss out. And this video, the one that I linked here, will help you get started on LinkedIn, and it will help you land and attract the clients that you wish, that you desire, and will also help you get some amazing opportunities. Adding income streams as a freelancer is not very hard if you actually think about it. All you have to do is constantly be on the lookout for new opportunities. But most people think that to earn more, you have to work extra hard. And that's why I shared with you these income streams where you don't have to work anything extra for them. All you have to do is do exactly what you were doing, and you will get paid for writing about what you love and doing the things that you would anyway do. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to share it with your writer friends, and don't forget to let me know in the comments what you think of all these income streams. And if you have tried any of them before, I would love to know your experiences with them as well. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching until here. I'll see you again soon. Until then, keep writing and stay awesome. Bye.